everyone, welcome to the GP Tires and Auto Care channel. We're doing an oil change on a 2021 Jeep Wrangler. It's a Rubicon Unlimited Sport. Yeah, I'm just getting ready to set it up on the lift, take it in the air. We're going to drain the oil and get started. Alright, so I got the lift set up. We're going to take the Jeep in the air. Prior to taking it in the air, we're going to basically open up the oil filler cap and then pull the dipstick so we can allow maximum drainage of the oil once we have it in there. Alright guys, so we're underneath the vehicle, got it, lifted up on the lift. Your drain bolt is right here. It's you need a 13 millimeter socket to loosen that drain bolt, which we have right here. And your oil filter is conveniently located literally right next to the drain bolt and your oil filter, literally right next to each other. So we're gonna loosen up the drain bolt first, and then we're gonna loosen up the oil filter shortly after. All right, if the vehicle was running or came in hot, be careful, the oil will be hot. You don't want to get burned. Just keep that in mind, the oil will be hot. Beautiful. That drain bolt is hot. All right, so would you look at that? Factory installed. Factory install oil filter. Well, that simply means that it's a Mopar original filter, 2019 FCA. We're making a mess. 2019 Mopar filter. This is a 2021 Jeep Wrangler, and it has a 2019 factory filter on that. Obviously it was manufactured in 2019. That's why it has that date on it. But let's get it off. It's just a little tight. Hold on. Alright, so oil filter's a little tight. I'm gonna use my nice little oil filter wrench right here. Loosen her up. There you go. Go ahead and position our drain pan a little closer underneath the filter. Give it a few twists. Alright, you always want to give it a twist, let the oil come out of the filter, let it drain somewhat out of the filter, and once it's completely somewhat drained, you want to go ahead and remove it. Beautiful. I wanted to catch the filter because I wanted to run the numbers on it. So while those are draining, I'm going to grab our filter. Alright, so we've got our oil filter. We're going to go ahead and basically just let's put a little bit of oil on the O-ring. You want to install that right there. Get it down hand tight. Give it a few cranks. Let's do a little snug. Just a little snug. Hold on. Show you guys all my tricks. Hold on. Alright, so we're going to install our oil drain bolt. And we're going to tighten that back down with the 13 millimeter socket on a 3/8 drive. You don't want to over tighten it, just put it snug, okay? Alright, so we drained the oil, we changed the engine oil filter, so we're getting ready to bring the Jeep down and add oil and check it and make sure it's good to go. All right, so I just I topped it off with oil. I crunk it up, checked the oil. It took exactly 5 quarts. So guys, this completes our how to change the oil on the 2021 Jeep Wrangler Sports Unlimited with a 2.0 turbo. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.